If your Wi-Fi says connected but you have no internet access on Windows 11, do not worry. The issue is usually related to network settings or a small system glitch. Let me show you simple fixes that actually work. Before we start, make sure the problem is not from your internet provider. Try opening a website on your phone using the same Wi-Fi network. If it does not work there either, restart your router and wait a few minutes. First, reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. Click on the Wi-Fi icon and disconnect from your network. Wait a few seconds and connect again. Now restart your PC. A simple restart fixes many network issues. Next, disable and enable the Wi-Fi adapter. Press Windows plus I to open settings. Now go to Network and Internet. Then Advanced Network Settings. Under Network Adapters, click Disable on your Wi-Fi adapter. Wait a few seconds and click Enable again. Now check IP and DNS settings. Open Control Panel and go to Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your Wi-Fi and select Properties. Uncheck Internet Protocol version 6 and click OK. Open Properties again and double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Also, select Obtain DNS server address automatically and click OK. Let's flush the network cache. Press Windows plus R, type CMD and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. In command prompt, type these commands one by one and press Enter after each command. Now close the window and test the internet again. If the internet still does not work, check Proxy Settings. Open Control Panel and go to Internet Options. Click on the Connection tab at the top. Now click on the Lane Settings button. A new window will open. Here, look for Proxy Server. Make sure Use a proxy server for your lane is unchecked. Click OK, then OK again to save. Now check your network driver. Outdated drivers often cause Wi-Fi connection issues. Updating drivers manually can be slow and Windows may not always find the latest version. To make this easier, you can use a tool called Advanced Driver Updater. Download and install it from the link given in the description. Now open the program and click Start Scan Now. It will scan your PC for outdated drivers including Wi-Fi and network drivers. After the scan, click Update All or Update only the network driver. Restart your PC and check the internet connection. If nothing works, reset network settings. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset and select Reset Now. Your PC will restart and all network settings will be reset to default. And that is it. One of these steps should fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet access problem on Windows 11. Let me know in the comments which fix worked for you and do not forget to like this video, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials and share it with anyone facing the same issue.